Right, so the first step we need to do in learning Scratch is to go to the Scratch website. And we can find that at scratch.mit.edu. So this is an online development environment specially designed to teach people programming, developed by MIT University. Right, once you're here, obviously if you've got an account, you will sign in. If you don't have an account, you simply click Join Scratch. So here you're going to need to set yourself a username, whatever you would like to create. Pick any username. It's obviously going to just check that it exists. So we'll come up with a username. What would you like username to be, Joshua?
I say we should make our username Learning on Scratch.
Learn Scratch. Okay, and the next thing, just choose a password. Now, as you can see here, that username is already taken, so we're going to have to try again. Let's try Learning Scratch.
Learning on Scratch.
Okay, Learning on Scratch. Oops, Learning on Scratch. Third time lucky, we've got it. Okay, now we just need to put a password in here and retype your password. Once you're done, click Next. Right, so now you want to put your month and year of birth. So, Joshua, what have we got?
November.
November. And what
Year is 2001.
2001. And male. And then you can choose your country. We'll find our country somewhere here. The southern tip of Africa. And click Next. We now need to put in our email address. And then confirm it. And click Next. Well, welcome to Scratch. You're now logged in and you can start exploring. That's basically it. You should get a confirmation email as well, so you can check your inbox for that. Okay, let's go. So in future, all you got to do is just simply sign in with your login details, so remember those. You'll notice here is a message. It says confirm your email to enable sharing. The programs that you develop in Scratch you can share with others, but you can only do that once you have confirmed your login email. So I'm going to quickly do that now and come back. Right, so in your email you will notice there should be an email from Scratch, and all you've got to do is click the link, confirm my email address, and you will be done. Once you've done that, you will then also get another email which says welcome to Scratch, and there are some little piece of information, what you can do next, etc., etc. here if you want to even learn more about Scratch. But we're going to show you, because it's so much easier learning by video. So buckle up, log into your Scratch, and get ready to learn.